this tutorial, you will learn how to fix Microsoft Sudoku load data error, an issue occurred while loading your game in Windows 11 and Windows 10.
First, open the Start menu. Open your settings. Open Apps. Open the Installed Apps section. Locate Microsoft Sudoku. Click on the three dots to open the Microsoft Sudoku options. Click on Advanced Options. Look for the Reset section. If the Microsoft Sudoku app isn't working right, you can try to repair it. The Microsoft Sudoku data won't be affected. Now press Repair. If Microsoft Sudoku is still not working right, reset it. Now press the Reset button. This will permanently delete Microsoft Sudoku data on this device, including preferences and sign-in details. Press Reset again. If Microsoft Sudoku is still not working, you could try to reinstall it. This will uninstall Microsoft Sudoku and its settings. Your documents will not be affected. First press Uninstall. The Microsoft Sudoku app and its related data will be uninstalled. Press Uninstall again. Now open your Microsoft Store to download Microsoft Sudoku again. Search for Microsoft Sudoku. Click on Microsoft Sudoku. Press Get. Wait for Microsoft Sudoku to be downloaded and installed. Now open Microsoft Sudoku. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.